The OXO Good Grip stainless steel salad spinner is a versatile and efficient kitchen tool that offers great value for its price. With over 10 years of experience in product marketing and writing, I can confidently say that this salad spinner delivers on its promises. This salad spinner is designed with a stainless steel bowl and a non-slip base, providing stability and durability during usage. The product dimensions of 10.5 into 10.5 into 8 inches make it suitable for most kitchen countertops, while its item weight of 3.9 pounds ensures a sturdy build that can withstand regular usage. One of the standout features of this salad spinner is its efficient spinning mechanism. The spinner utilizes a patented pump mechanism that allows for easy, one-handed operation. With a few pumps, excess moisture is quickly and effectively removed from your salad greens, ensuring a crisp and flavorful result. The OXO Good Grip stainless steel salad spinner has garnered positive feedback.
If you like the video, please subscribe the channel. Thank you.